Welcome Glam Squad. Picture this, you in a stunning saree radiating glam and elegance. But guess what? Ye glam vibe achieve karna is not so complicated. I have 5 magical steps to minimal makeup that will enhance your natural beauty and add that festive touch. So if you're ready to dazzle, watch till the end. Step 1. It all starts with your base and simplicity is the key. Stick to your trusty moisturizer, sunscreen, very important, sunscreen, concealer, CC cream to keep your base very simple, natural and yet get that stunning glow. Okay, very awkward angles. And बहुत ही मिनिमल रखना है. Please remember, overdo तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है. Just देखो कंसीलर से कितना डिफरेंस आता है मेरे फेस पे. I follow this up with my CC cream, but you can use your regular foundation. Like I said, stick to your trusty products because you don't want to break out. This weird angle brings us to step 2. Don't forget to set your eyebrow. मैं plum का brown shade में eyebrows pencil use करती हूँ. I just love how it lifts my face. Just wait and watch how much it defines my face. Step 3. Black eyeliner. A timeless classic. Still can't master. 1 minute. Ta-da! Watch how this opens up my eyes and adds that touch of mystic. Step 4. Any guesses? Of course, lipstick. Brighten up your pout with a vibrant shade of lipstick. Oops! Don't get overconfident like me and take it slow. A vibrant, bold color can transform your entire look and leave a lasting impression. वैसे ये शेड मैंने नायका से लिया है. If you need the links, please let me know in the comments. And step 5 is my favorite. A bindi. Elevate your traditional beauty with a bindi. A symbol of grace and culture, a tiny touch which makes a world of difference. So, guys, are you ready for the transformation? Here it is. That's me feeling super proud of myself for making this look happen and also for successfully draping a saree. If you like this short simple video, please hit the like button, share it with your lovely friends, comment whatever comes to your mind, and if you're ready to conquer this festive season with confidence and style, stick around and subscribe to my channel Think in Style.